Hi guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a 350Z here and I'm going to teach you how to remove your tweeter. There's a right and a wrong way to do it. These break really easy, so I'm going to teach you how to do it the right way. So there's a little plastic circle in here on the window switch. Pop that off. You're going to get a Phillips head. Undo that. And then we're going to pop the window switch up. I always just feed it in right there. Pop that up and out. Unplug the window switches. And while we still have our flathead in our hand, I'll reach up here and I will pop that beauty cover off for the handle. And then we can grab our 10 mil on an extension. And you got 3 10s to take off. And 1, 2, 3. And then we'll reach under here to that opening. Give that a pry. Off in the back, off in the front. Undo the window actuator, or the door lock actuator. Get that out of your way. And then we'll work on the tweeter and the mirror. So we'll pop this up out of there. And then when it's popped out, like so say the top of the cover of the tweeter is under the rubber piece where it's supposed to go. You've got both of those pieces popped out, slide it down and then out because they break very easily. Alright, so then the tweeter's hanging down like this. This has an aftermarket tweeter in it. Normally this isn't zip tied like this, so just kind of disregard that. I'm going to clip that zip tie and then unplug this. This is a factory plug that they just wired this into. That is how you remove the tweeter cover on a 350Z.